Greetings from Fire-dex World Headquarters in Medina, Ohio. My name is Alan Rahm. I've been with Fire-dex since the year 2000. I am the Director of Metro Sales and also International Sales for the company. Today we're here to talk about 4 products under the Gear Wash brand. These products are detergents and solutions made for the cleaning of PPE in extractors. Before we get started on the Gear Wash products, a brief overview of the difference of some of the things that are available. Any detergent, whether it be liquid or dry, is used as a cleaning agent along with water and movement to clean a garment. A disinfectant is a formula that specifically is created to destroy or to make inactive both viruses and bacteria. A sanitizer means you're lowering the number of germs to a safe level by reducing the bacterial identified on that particular product's label. Regular detergents that you buy over the counter, while may be okay for washing PPE from the fire service, are not really appropriate for a couple of reasons. The pH balance, the fabric softeners that they have in it, and some of the chemical refreshers that are in it are not appropriate for some of our synthetic fabric. In general, most manufacturers suggest that you use detergents that are made for synthetic fibers. The first product we talk about, the firefighter would first see at the fire scene, is called wet mitigation rinse. This product would be used at the fire scene during decontamination under today's NFPA 1851, known as PER, or Preliminary Exposure Reduction. This is a soft rinse down at the scene to remove the majority of the contaminants at the contaminated scene. Once the garment returns to the station or the battalion station or to a service center for washing, the next product is called Turnout Gear Wash. This is the primary detergent that we sell that's intended to be used with both shells. Also, hoods and gloves can use this same detergent in its wash. The next Gear Wash product is called Shurguard Ultimate. This is a very heavy-duty detergent that serves multiple purposes. It is a sanitizer, disinfectant, also operates as a virucide, a mildew stat, and a deodorizer. Shurguard Ultimate is the most heavy-duty of the detergents that we sell. Sureguard can be used for a pre-soak prior to extraction. Its primary purpose is as an extraction detergent for a full wash. Shurguard Ultimate is an EPA certified hospital grade detergent. Our fourth product is Responder NZ. This is an enzyme based solution. Primary purpose is for the removal of organic compounds, like those found in EMS apparel with blood or inside bunker gear liners with body sweat. Additionally, the Responder NZ product is appropriate for station wear. Responder NZ can be used as both a pre-spot application and, of course, in the extractor. For more information, you can see the FEMSA user guide that comes with all PPE products, typically in the format of a QR code with your received new garments, or go to the NFPA standards that fire departments have, both NFPA 1500, the Occupational Health, Safety, and Wellness Standard, and then the NFPA 1851 Selection, Care, and Maintenance Standard. For more information on what we reviewed today, please see the Gear Wash website.